the record-breaking amount of retros already confirmed for 2025, the sneakers lineup of designs appears to include more pairs than anticipated. According to Romania's sneaker market, Tinker Hatfield's 1995 work will be released before the year is out in an animated version called Football Blue. In commemoration of its 30th anniversary, the rumored offering adds another item to the expanding lineup of Jordan 11s scheduled for release. Details of the Football Blue throwback have not yet been released, but considering that the pair's color selection includes canvas, metallic silver, summit white, and football blue, it is not surprising if these adopt a reimagined look reminiscent of the original Columbia design. Await official look of the couple and details about their official release. It is anticipated that the AJ11 will go on sale for $250 on Nike.com or Jordan sometime between October and December.